Never stop, never settle. I got Henny all in my cup. I'm on top, I'm on the level, yeah. I'm trying to get to the back. Got it on lock, got it on smash, yeah. She trying to holler what's up. I'm with this how it is, yeah. When you on your way up, I'm on my way.
What up, Team Buckhouse? Welcome to Keystone. Funny seeing you guys here, you know? It's like we post daily. Anyways, what's up? We're at Keystone. It's just a normal day of shredding, and let's shred.
That's so cringy.
You think I'm cringy, Damon? Okay. Hurt my feeling, Damon. Dude, these side hits got nice and big from the weekend. Woo! Snow is turning into slush, but it's bleh. Ooh, that's a Buddha. Oh, let's spray the boys. It's like, it was like a waterfall.
Big chunky snow.
Big chunky snow. You just scoot away from me? What?
Yeah,
I got cooed? Yeah, I was saying. What up, Nate?
Hey.
All right, so we've done School Marm how many times do you think? Like 2,600 in the last couple of days?
Give or take 2 million.
Yeah, exactly. So let's go to the park and we're at some park.
Park.
I don't know if there's any different features in the park. But we're on a new board. I want to get dialed in before you go to Winter Park and have like a really good park session. So go.
I like it. Bye.
It's new. It's demo.
The wall is claiming lives today. Seth, you're the only one that didn't go over. That was kind of sick. Oh, I didn't know you were going for that. My bad, Damon. Oh.
All right, so in the tiny little hike park at Keystone today, we're really focusing on this wall behind me. Walls are super fun. They're kind of skatey. You know, if you skate in the summer or just skate in general, a snowboard wall like this is going to give you your most amount of tricks. That would just translate from skateboarding to snowboarding. And so, yeah, I always have fun on a wall like this, and I just need to land something. It's in a tricky spot. It's a little slow out here, but we'll get some cool ones. Don't you worry. You would be worried. Yeah!
That was horrible.
Just do it again, but a little more better. I found the subscribe button. We're just chilling back here. All right, the wall's sick. I really do like the wall, but there's one thing I like better than the wall that's in this park. Today, sticker shout out. We got Bonnie with the white Evolution sticker on the nose of the snowboard, looking insane, guys. If you want an Evolution sticker, we have so many colors and versions and just styles of the sticker to match your gear or your style, as well as we do have a ski version of the Evolution sticker for all the skiers out there. If you do snag any of the merch, it's the easiest way for me to say what up to you guys on the mountain. Yo, little dude. That is a sick sticker. What's up? That's the sickest sticker. What's your name? As well as if you snag the sticker, just tag me on my Instagram and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shots in the vlogs like I just did. But also follow the Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube shorts for the vertical bonus like short form content. Short form content's here to stay. It's literally not going anywhere. So check out all the short form extra bonus content that we're making on these channels and platforms and things. And let's keep snowboarding. I'm having fun. You guys having fun? I know you guys like when we do turns, but we've done a lot of turns. The wall, it's a wall.
Let's go! Oh, sick!
We gotta do it again. I want to do a 270 off of it, so we're gonna do it again. I gotta find the speed. It's somewhere in this park. I gotta find it. We're gonna hug it. But David, dude, the hype, man. Thanks. My little skier buddy.
Oh, yeah.
So cute.
Can I get an interview on that? What happened, sir?
Well, I didn't think the speed was there, and then it was a little more than we thought. That's what happened.
Well, thank you.
Woo! Okay, the clues make hiking so much easier.
Go on to the giveaway. Oh! What happened?
There's just no speed. See, when to give up, that is the question. Because it's not a lack of ability. I was definitely in the spot to throw the 270 off of there. But there's no speed at the end. It's just like, eh. I got Nate pushing me up top. And we'll give it a chipmunk go. And then we're going to go do a run for you guys. But man, I really want this 2.7 off of this thing. It'd be sick. Here comes Cody. Oh, that was sick. Tindy.
Let the record show that was not Tindy.
No! That was the speed. One more. That was the speed.
No! Johnathan, no!
I give up. I'm not going to get it. Take this as a lesson, kids. You win some, you lose some. We lost some today. But
I won.
there's always another day. Yeah, Damon got his trick. Okay, go do a run now. Time to slide down this hill on this nice big Clue snowboard. It's so slick up here. It's like an ice skating rink. The Damon Stoke, arguably the best Stoke. All these skiers aren't gonna beat me. No. I waxed today. See ya, Damon. I'm a good snowboarder, dog. I can't see anything, it's all a shadow. We're riding fast. Dude, we're snowboarding fast right now. I don't know why. I guess the snow's really fast. They put it up, we can't boost it no more. No jumping. I do listen to the rules, by the way. You kind of have to listen to the rules because if I lose my pass, I lose my job, you know? We should have timed how fast we did school marm. That must be a record. Ay, ay, ay. My legs are toast. And Cody wants some toast. Cody's really hungry. So with that, Team Gals, thank you so much for shredding with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you tomorrow in another video. It is daily on this Snowboard channel.